Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something really cool. It's a fully working mod for Stick War Legacy that runs on both Android and iOS devices. If you're a fan of this game, you'll definitely want to stick around until the end to see what this mod can do. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future updates or mods like this one. Alright, so what's new in this mod? First off, it includes a mod menu that you can access by tapping the gear icon in the game. That's where all the features are located. The most important one, you can instantly get unlimited gems and more, just by activating a simple toggle in the menu. You'll see it happen right here in the video. The resources go straight to the maximum. There are other tweaks too, like extra controls and support features that make your gameplay smoother and a lot more fun. To get this mod working properly, make sure you have the latest version of Stick War Legacy installed on your device. If you're unsure where to find this version of the mod, I left a comment below with full details on how I got mine working. Thanks for watching. If this mod works for you too, let everyone know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful. You can find this mod on app heaven.top.